Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show some powerful use of AI. In today's video, I'm going to show how to build an AI app that can collect Twitter feeds on a specific topic. I selected global warming, and provides a summary of the feeds emailed to you every day. Sound interesting? Please hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video. This project combines Twitter's API, AI for text summarization, and Python automation. By the end of this video, you'll have a tool that does all the hard work for you, scanning tweets, summarizing them, and emailing you the key points every day. I'm going to put down the steps below and also will share them in the description. First, let's set up the environment. Download Python if you don't already have it, and install a few libraries like Tweepy, Transformers, smtplib, and Schedule. These are the building blocks for accessing Twitter, using AI and automating tasks. Here's the command you'll need. Pip install Tweepy Transformers smtplib Schedule. Next, you'll need to register for Twitter's developer API. Create a project, generate your API keys, and save them securely. These keys let our tool fetch tweets related to any topic. Here's where the magic happens. We'll write a Python script that authenticates with Twitter, fetches recent tweets for a specific keyword, summarizes the tweets using AI. We will use a library like Hugging Face with a pre-trained model like T5 or BERT that can summarize the tweets, sends the summary to your email. I've included the full script in the description below for you to copy. Make sure to replace placeholders like your email, Twitter API keys, and recipient email. To ensure this runs daily, we'll use the Schedule library. Our script will fetch and email you the updates at a specific time every day. All you have to do is leave the script running or deploy it to a cloud service like AWS for 24/7 operation. Finally, test the script by running it locally. You can even modify it to track multiple topics or send updates to a group of recipients. Customization is super easy.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
And that's it. A simple AI-powered tool that keeps you informed without the noise. If you enjoyed this project, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered hacks. Let me know in the comments which topics you'd track with this tool. Want to see more automation ideas like this? Stay tuned for more AI-driven tools to make your life easier. See you in the next video.